So if you're at this part and you're wondering, man, why is it not adding up? Well, here, let me go explain that. My bad. Let me just back over here. So yes, I record all my videos on my phone. I know it's cursed. It's the most convenient. Anyways, the reason why is because of how you mount over here. At least that's what happened to me, at least. So like over here. One sec. So when I was explaining this part over here, see how like my the Yoyo is like coming inward onto the string, right? That's how it's supposed to be. What happens to me when it knots is like I'll see if I can type with my hand here. It's like I'm on the outer edge. I go like forward, back, not like in onto the string. Yeah, hopefully that explains it. All right, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.